Imagine software that thinks, learns, and makes decisions without you telling it what to do every single time. That's an AI agent, and they're about to change everything. An AI agent is software that can perceive its environment, think about what to do, and take action independently. Unlike chatbots that just respond to you, agents actively solve problems and make decisions. Think of it like the difference between a calculator and a smart assistant. One waits for input, the other figures things out on its own. AI agents follow a cycle, observe their environment, analyze the situation, decide on an action, and execute it. They use information from databases, sensors, or the internet. If the outcome isn't what they wanted, they learn from it and adjust. It's like a human learning from experience, but happening in seconds. Email spam filters are AI agents. They detect unwanted messages and take action. Recommendation algorithms on Netflix and YouTube are agents deciding what content to show you. Even self-driving cars are sophisticated agents constantly observing roads and making split-second decisions to keep you safe. AI agents are becoming the future of automation. They'll handle customer service, data analysis, scheduling, and complex problem-solving without human intervention. They work faster and tirelessly. Understanding them now helps you stay ahead as AI transforms jobs and industries worldwide. Hit subscribe to never miss AI explanations, and drop a like if AI agents blew your mind. What AI agent would you want working for you? Comment below.